Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Cardio Forte for Life, where nature, science, and self-care come together to help you protect the most important muscle in your body, your heart. What if you could enjoy a smoothie that tastes like a tropical vacation and strengthens your heart at the same time? Today, we're blending flavor and function in one refreshing recipe, the tropical heart-boosting smoothie, made with pineapple, mango, banana, and coconut water. It's not just a drink, it's a science-backed, nutrient-packed way to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, balance blood pressure, and fuel your arteries with what they love most. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only have the recipe, you'll understand the hidden power of tropical fruits in boosting nitric oxide and protecting your cardiovascular system naturally. Why tropical fruits are heart gold. When we think of tropical fruits, we picture sweetness, sunshine, and energy. But beneath that bright flavor lies a serious powerhouse of nutrients that your cardiovascular system thrives on. Let's look at how these fruits support your heart's natural function. Pineapple, the inflammation fighter. Pineapple is more than a treat. It's a circulation enhancer. It contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation, supports smoother blood flow, and even helps prevent blood clots. In fact, bromelain has been studied for its ability to improve recovery after heart surgery and physical injury by enhancing circulation and breaking down excess fibrin, the protein that can make blood sticky. And with its high vitamin C content, pineapple also strengthens arterial walls, helping your vessels stay elastic and youthful. Mango, the antioxidant shield. Next up is mango, the sunshine fruit. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and vitamin C, two antioxidants that defend artery walls from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins neutralize the same oxidative stress that contributes to plaque buildup and premature arterial aging. Mangoes also offer fiber, which lowers cholesterol, and polyphenols, which help regulate blood sugar, an often overlooked key to long-term heart protection. Banana, the potassium balancer. Your heart loves potassium, and bananas deliver it in abundance. Potassium works hand in hand with sodium. It helps your body flush out excess salt, reducing fluid retention and lowering blood pressure. A single banana provides around 400 milligrams of potassium, gently balancing your body's electrolytes and relaxing your blood vessels. Spinach, optional. The nitrate booster. Adding a handful of spinach or kale gives this smoothie an extra heart health edge. Spinach is rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes arteries, improves blood flow, and helps regulate blood pressure naturally. Even a small serving can make a big difference. You won't taste it beneath the mango and pineapple, but your arteries will feel the boost. Chia or flax seeds, the cholesterol managers. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. They're packed with soluble fiber, which binds cholesterol in your digestive tract. They also contain plant-based omega-3s. Chia seeds form a natural gel when soaked, helping slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you full longer, reducing cravings and promoting steady energy. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. Coconut water is tropical hydration at its purest. It's naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, and electrolytes, which balance your heart rhythm, support muscle contraction, and keep blood pressure steady. Unlike sugary sports drinks, coconut water hydrates without artificial additives. It's the perfect liquid base for heart health, refreshing, mineral-rich, and low in calories. The recipe: tropical heart-boosting smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh, pineapple chunks, 1 cup mango, chunks 1 banana, ½ cup spinach, optional, 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds, 1 cup unsweetened coconut water. Blend until smooth and creamy. How it works. The science of heart nourishment. Here's what's really happening in your body when you drink this smoothie regularly. Bromelain from pineapple reduces inflammation and keeps blood platelets from clumping, lowering clot risk. Polyphenols from mango protect the endothelium, the inner lining of your arteries, improving flexibility. Potassium from banana and coconut water balances fluids and relaxes artery walls. Nitrates from spinach increase nitric oxide, enhancing circulation and oxygen delivery. Omega-3s and fiber from chia or flax reduce cholesterol absorption and arterial stiffness. Together, these nutrients form a protective synergy that supports clear arteries, regulates blood pressure, enhances circulation, reduces inflammation, improves nutrient delivery to every organ. When and how to use it, timing matters. To get the most from your tropical heart-boosting smoothie, best time, mid-morning or afternoon for natural energy and hydration. Post-workout, ideal after exercise to replenish electrolytes and reduce muscle inflammation. Pair it with heart-healthy habits. This smoothie works even better when it's part of a simple daily routine. Here's how to make it part of your heart ritual. Morning movement. Take a 10 to 15 minute walk outdoors. The sunlight boosts vitamin D, which supports vascular function. Deep breathing. Spend 3 minutes practicing slow, deep breaths. It lowers cortisol and improves nitric oxide flow. Smart swaps. Replace one processed snack, chips, cookies, or soda, with this smoothie. You'll notice a difference in energy and focus within days. Hydration habit. Drink more water throughout the day. Dehydration thickens blood and makes your heart work harder. Over time, these habits create a compounding effect. Your heart grows stronger, your blood pressure stabilizes, and your energy levels rise naturally. Bonus tip: strengthen your heart's nitric oxide power. For an added layer of protection, pair this smoothie with Forte 4 Life's L-arginine and antioxidant formula. Each serving delivers 5,000 milligrams of L-arginine, which your body uses to create nitric oxide, the same molecule that tropical fruits and greens help boost naturally. Together, this combination helps relax blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery support, healthy blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness. Think of your tropical smoothie as your food-based heart defense, and Forte 4 Life as your consistent science-backed support system. When used together, they help your arteries stay clear, flexible, and strong. Your heart doesn't need restriction, it needs nourishment. And this tropical heart-boosting smoothie proves that healthy living can be vibrant, flavorful, and joyful. Each sip gives you lower inflammation, better circulation, natural hydration, stronger arterial walls. You're not depriving yourself, you're upgrading your body's natural rhythm. So tomorrow, blend a glass of sunshine. Share this recipe with someone who could use a little heart health in their life, and spread the wellness. And as always, like, subscribe, and visit Forte4Life.com for more heart-healthy recipes, natural remedies, and science-backed wellness guides. Because your heart deserves not just care, but joy in every sip.